In this video, I want to walk you through the 5-step ad sequencing process that we use with clients in order to create some crazy ROAS and actually see the return that an e-commerce store should be getting from Facebook ads. Let's dive into it. If you haven't already, make sure to press the subscribe button so you can get notified when videos just like this come out in the future. So one of the hardest things when it comes to actually advertising on Facebook ads with a budget more than $10 a day or a boosted post is creating an environment within your ad account that allows for scale. Most people see bridges and breaks at certain thresholds of spend. Maybe it's $150 for you, maybe it's $500, maybe it's $1,000. Whatever that price may be, typically it's because somewhere in the funnel that you're setting up within Facebook ads, you're neglecting the actual ability that you have to remarket to customers. So this video is all about walking you through that ad sequencing process that we like to use. This is a 5-step sequencing process. So step number 1, what we start out with at the beginning, is the cold prospecting. So these are people who are unaware of your brand. And just so you know, with every single step, we're excluding the following steps. 2, 3, 4, 5 are all excluded from step 1. So step 1, once again, is cold prospecting. It's people who are unfamiliar with your brand, and of course, your messaging, targeting, angle, creative, all needs to be in line with the fact that these people don't know who you are. Why should they? Make sure to prove that during that point. Also, using offers, deals, whatever you can at the beginning to entice people to start to actually interact and associate with your brand. Step number 2 is people who've taken some form of interaction. They've showed that they want to interact with your brand. Maybe they watched a video for 25 to 95% on Facebook ads. Maybe they've interact with the lead form, or maybe they've been liking and commenting on your page, but they've never done anything else. For those type of people, we refer to it as step 2 because of the fact that they're not actually taking a good indicator of purchase yet. We need to get them through the full step process in order to get there. So step 2 is all about some engagement, but not much action. Step 3 is the engagement and some sort of action process. So if we're thinking about these people, we're thinking about people who've visited the site recently, who've interacted with Instagram comments, and they continue to do it, and they've done it within 7, 14, 21 days. These are people that are getting into the ecosystem of what your brand is, what you're selling. They love your product, and they want to be associated more and more with you. For these people, step 3, you need to market to them as though they know who you are, but they're not at the point yet of wanting to buy. So how do you get them over that hump? Step 4 is the hot step. This is a step of people who are in your hot audience. They're not warm. That's step 2 and 3. They're there. They're ready to buy. They've added a cart. They've been to your sales page recently within the past 1, 3, 7 days. They visit your site multiple times, 5 times 21 page views like I referred to in that other video. And these are the people that are looking to buy. There's just some reason that they didn't take the action which allowed them to purchase the actual product. And step 5, the last way to sequence and think about this, is the people who actually bought something. So these people are in your ecosystem, they bought, they're active, they're talking about it. Once someone says yes one time, they're way more likely to continue to say yes. So this audience should be one of those audiences that you can continue to make money on, fulfill whatever need they need, and keep them within your ecosystem, becoming the people who actually spread by word of mouth your brand organically. So that's the 5-step sequencing process that we like to use on Facebook ads in order to create an environment that not only thrives when it comes to return on ad spend, but actually scales. If this video helped you in any way, make sure to press the like button. Otherwise, make sure to subscribe so you can get notified when videos just like this come out in the future. Look forward to talking to you soon.